And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you an axis rotation transition. We put our clips in the same video channel so that we have this typical jump cut. Then we go to transitions, open the drop down, distortion category, and then scroll to the bottom. Currently there is the axis rotation, download it, then drag and drop it onto the transition position. If you get a warning message for duplicating frames, just confirm it. And when you left click on it in the timeline, you should find this duration adjustment on the right. Goes to 2.8, but I wouldn't go that far. A second looks like this. It still works, but the slower you make it, the more white areas there will be. And at some point that's not really convincing anymore. So I wouldn't go to the max, even though it's available. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.